Hello, Tavishi. How are you?
I'm fine, miss. How are you, miss?
I'm fine, thank you. Can you tell me the name of your school?
The name of my school is Navy Anchorage School and College, Dhaka.
Okay, and where is it located?
It is located near 300 feet in Dhaka.
What is your favorite place in your school?
The favorite place in my school is the library because I can read many books of my choice.
Okay, and if you could add one new thing to your school, what would it be?
If I could add one more new thing to my school, it would be a language club because there students could learn new languages which could be an advantage for their future.
That's great. What is your favorite subject, Tavishi?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
Does your school have any clubs?
Yes, my school have many clubs, including debating club, ICT club, music club, religion club.
That's great. And are you a member of any club?
Yes, I am currently a member of Scout, IQ class, coding class, and English class, which is not a part of my school.
Dreamers Academy. Dream, learn, lead.